Once upon a time, there was a kind and hard-working woodcutter. He lived in a small village near a big, beautiful forest. Every day, he cut wood to sell in the market. That's how he earned money to buy food for his family. One sunny morning, the woodcutter was chopping wood near the river. But suddenly, oh no! His axe slipped from his hands and fell into the deep water. He tried to find it, but the river was too deep and fast. He sat sadly on the riverbank, wondering what to do. Just then, something magical happened. The water began to sparkle, and a gentle voice said, "Why are you so sad?" It was the river fairy. The woodcutter told her about his lost axe. The fairy smiled and dived into the water. When she came up, she was holding a shiny golden axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter shook his head and said,
"No, that's not mine. Mine was plain and old."
The fairy went into the water again and came up with a silver axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter smiled politely and said,
"No, that's not mine either."
One last time the fairy went into the water. This time she brought up the woodcutter's old iron axe with a wooden handle. The woodcutter's eyes lit up. Because he told the truth, the fairy gave him all 3 axes: the golden one, the silver one, and his own iron axe. The woodcutter thanked her again and again. The woodcutter walked home happily, holding the golden, silver, and iron axes. He was rewarded because he told the truth. And remember, my friends, honesty is the best policy. Once upon a time, in a bright green forest, there lived 4 best friends: a deer, a crow, a turtle, and a little mouse. They loved to play, laugh, and be together every day. One evening, the deer didn't come back. The crow, turtle, and mouse waited and waited. They looked very worried. "Where's our friend?" said the mouse. The crow flew high over the trees to search. He looked here and there. Then he saw the deer, trapped in a hunter's net. The crow flew back fast and told the others, "The deer is trapped!" Far away, the deer was still stuck in the hunter's net. He tried to move, but the ropes were tight. The hunter had gone to get his cart. The deer was all alone. He needed help. Fast! Back at the tree, the 3 friends talked. "Let's help the deer," said the mouse. The crow flapped his wings. The turtle nodded slowly. They had a plan! The mouse ran to the net and started chewing the ropes. The crow watched from a tree. The turtle walked slowly to help. The deer smiled. His friends were here. Just then, the hunter came back. But the deer ran fast and escaped. The hunter saw the turtle and picked him up. He put him in a sack. But when the deer ran past, the hunter dropped the sack and chased the deer instead. The mouse ran to the sack and chewed it open. The turtle came out, safe and happy. The hunter came back, but the sack was empty. He had lost both the deer and the turtle. He looked very disappointed and slowly walked away. All the friends were together again, smiling and hugging near their favorite tree. The 4 friends smiled. They knew something special. When we help each other, we are strong. Unity is strength. One day, a clever little fox invited his friend the stork to dinner.
"Come over to my place, Stork. I've made something yummy."
The fox served soup in a flat plate. He happily slurped it up. But the poor stork couldn't eat a single drop with his long beak. The stork felt sad and embarrassed. He walked away quietly while the fox giggled behind him. The next day, the stork had an idea. "Would you like to come over for dinner, Fox?" The stork served food in tall jars. She ate happily with her long beak. But now it was the fox who couldn't eat a bite. The fox finally understood how the stork felt.
I'm really sorry, Stork. I didn't mean to hurt you.
"It's okay, Fox, just don't play tricks on friends." They forgave each other and became better friends than ever. And from that day on, the fox and the stork shared meals the kind way, together, as true friends. Remember, real friends don't play tricks on each other. They care and share. Yay, that was fun! Tap the subscribe button and join us again for more songs, stories, and smiles on Amazesphere Kids. See you next time.